Gold against US dollar. This week started with a strong bearish candle on a Monday. It is a strong bearish candle that has engulfed on several days before that and closing below this area of support 3355.61. During the week I also make the analysis every day, and if you have watched that, you have seen that I have also commented that these candles that has been formed in the last 2 days. After the bearish breakout has been formed, we can see in next 2 days, 3 days, the price could not go above this area of resistance. This bearish breakout has been confirmed on a Tuesday, where the next candle did not return above this area of resistance, and we can see in the next 2 days the price could not return back above this area of resistance. But on a Thursday the price formed this bearish engulfing candle, was again engulfing the previous 2 days right here at the resistance level, indicating further decline in value. On the weekly time frame, currently we are in the middle of this resistance and the support level. So the price needs to make a clean move where the price is heading, especially on the weekly time frame. In the 2 weeks before that, we can see we have 2 bullish candles indicating further rise in value, but the price could not continue the previous week bullish run. It has returned back down, so it is in the between. We can see that somewhere in this range area. Monthly time frame just started 2 weeks ago. We have next two weeks to see how the price behaves, and we can see that 3 previous months has indecision candles formed on the chart, but let's see how this month will close. What is very important that the price do not go below 3272.61. If it goes down, it will go all the way back down, where we can see the first support level will be around 3100. So for now, on the daily time frame, we are currently inside the bearish mode, where the price is trying to reach this area of support around this demand zone 3314.79. Will the price manage to do that? Let's see how the Monday opens. Will it open with a gap or without a gap? Any disturbance on the market? And especially on the 4-hour time frame, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they get information where the price is heading. Will the price manage to go up or down when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts? Feel free to check the link below in the description and receive these updates. We can see now for the 4-hour time frame, the price is currently at the support level 3332.99. The price tried several times making a bearish breakout, but unsuccessfully, also a bullish breakout unsuccessfully. So it is again in decision range area for the price, especially on the daily time frame. But currently it is showing we have a bearish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, suggesting further decline in value. So let's see how the Monday opens. I'm more inclined to see the price going down, because we have a strong bearish candle here, strong bearish candle here, suggesting further decline until the price reaches this area of support. That's all for this week. Join other traders inside the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, and receive the daily updates on the lower time frames. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.